Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris Safety Liner C2. In this video, we're gonna take a long look of line of buses, and I'm calling this video the bird's nest, because as you can see all the way down, all these buses are Bluebirds. So I just figured in this video we would stick with Bluebird. So that's why I'm calling this video the bird's nest. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So first bus here is Bluebird A3 RE. It's got a 5.9 liter Cummins, not 5.9, it's got an 8.3 liter Cummins in it with an Allison AT545. Or it's an MD3060, I think. That's an AT545, but it's got a 8.9 Cummins. I believe this one is an 82 passenger, 83 passenger bus. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here's what sparks my interest, and this is a 2005 Bluebird SBCV. I've always loved these buses, always loved the combos. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's got a DT466E with an Allison MD3060. The next bus here is a 2003, not a 04, Bluebird 3800. It's a DT466E with an MD3060. They're both these buses are Texas spec, and I'll get them next to each other. They're pretty much spec the same, except that this has got the new International. So, yeah, there you go. So the next bus here is a 2022 Bluebird Vision, 6.7 liter Cummins with an Allison 2500 series PTS transmission. This one is a 72 passenger bus. Next one here is I believe this one is 2020 Bluebird Vision, I think. Yeah. It's got a propane engine, because you could tell on the bus how it has a green Bluebird logo. That means it's a propane powered bus. But it's the new 3rd gen with the big Bluebird grill logo on the grill. This bus is also 72 passenger. The next one here is a 2005 Bluebird Vision. So this is the 1st gen Vision. Has a Cat C7 in it with an MD3060. The next one here is a 2020 Bluebird T3 FE. 6.7 Cummins with the Allison 25 PTS transmission. This one is a 8 passenger bus, I believe. Yeah. So the next bus here is a 1997 Bluebird TC2000 FE. It's got an 8.3 Cummins with an Allison MD3060 or AT545. It's also a passenger. The next bus is a 2000 Bluebird TC2000 RE. So you can see the difference that this is an RE and this is an FE. There's a big difference between them. This one is a 2003 Bluebird A3 FE. So you can see the first bus down there is an RE. This is an FE. Sorry, I gotta shut this bus off. Alright, so this one is a 1997 Bluebird 3800. It's a DT466E with an Allison MD3060. Most of the 3800s with 466Es have this transmission. The next one here is a 2003. No, this one's a 98 Bluebird 3800. You can tell it's got the old warning light style like this one. It's also got a DT466E. Both of these are 78 passenger buses, or 72. The next one is a 2003 Bluebird 3800 DT466E. But this bus is a 2003 because it has the warning lights that go underneath towards the windshield. They started doing that in 03. The last bus here is a 2007 Bluebird SPCV. This one has a 6.0 VT365. I've done a video of this bus before. That was a mistake that the creator made, but he fixed it to say VT365. Now this is one of the buses in the lot that has a stop sign that flashes the word stop. The T3F has it as well. Those are the only two buses in this that have it. But yeah guys, that's going to do it for this video. And sorry it's not a long video, but there's not a lot to talk about with these buses, but they're Bluebirds, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching, and comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Avid the Enthusiast, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.